Hello everyone. I am Elmer Labinghisa, manager of MMM Global here in the Philippines. I am recording this video tonight to show you my happiness because I received a donation from MMM community participants. As you can see here in my personal office, I am receiving a donation from Miss Marley Balboa. Thank you very much. And I will show you the Philippine community and to the whole community of MMM how to confirm this donation. Okay, so this will serve also as a tutorial for everyone. First, we will click the details. So I already confirmed that I received the 0.09534396 BTC on my Bitcoin wallet. So now I will confirm it on my personal office. So we just click the details. Okay, so once it's load up, the pop-up will load up here. So we will click the confirm funds reception. Okay, then click OK. So that's it. Okay. So I will click the right for the letter of happiness. I will just click the right later because I will still need to upload the video. So I hope this tutorial will serve everybody and will help everyone who doesn't understand how to confirm their donations. Thank you very much, MMM. I encourage everyone to join MMM and see how MMM system works. I am very happy that I provided help, then someone provide help to me also in return. So together we can change the world. Thank you very much.